Hey guys, it's your boy, Too Short to Reach, back at it again with a really, really late video. It's been 2 months. Alright? So now that I have that cancer done and over with, I want to talk to you guys about other cringy child YouTubers, right? So, I was perusing YouTube earlier today, and there was this kid. He just said, "Whoa, I want a cockatiel, I want a parrot." All he was going to feed it was seeds. It's like he did zero research before he got the bird. He didn't even take the bird out to put it in the cage. He just dumped the box into the cage. I'm like... And then he recorded his friends on Skype asking them what they thought about it. Like, that was literally the entire video. He had time lapses of him spilling seed all over his counter. It had, like, the worst music. I don't even know what kind of music it was. But it was pretty obvious that he didn't spend any time with his bird, like, prior. Like, I can touch my bird, like, whenever I want. And he comes to me because I went to the store, right? And whenever the people said, oh, you're allowed to handle him now, I literally went to the store, like, every week. Bi-weekly, maybe. And I spent time with him, so he was comfortable with me. But this kid, he said, like, what he said, it was pretty obvious that he had never touched a bird before in his life. And his parents are so rich that he can just get whatever he wants, whenever he wants. He had, like, a camcorder, and he was recording his phone, right? And it's like, I have to record from my phone. The best kind of technology I have here is my phone. And I'm holding this with a $1 tripod that I got off of Amazon. Because the shipping was free, and it took, like, 2 months to get here, too. So it was like, whoa. But it just really, like, pissed me off. It triggered me that these animals, they can be so nice to humans, yet this kid is such a jerk. The bird literally fell into the bottom of the cage and my heart broke. Like, you know? And it's difficult because I have 3 birds. There's 2 up there on the chandelier somewhere. And, you know, I try to take the best care of them as I can. It's disappointing. They can't see you. You're acting like an idiot. My brother's playing Roblox, and I might just throw a banana at him.
Yay, bananas!
You want me to actually throw a banana at you?
Yes.
Alright. I don't have any videos planned, guys. No content. But anyway, one of you should really make a gift of me throwing a banana at him. So yeah, that was my 2 cents on that subject. I just broke my tripod. Wow. Yeah. I might do more Full Metal stuff later. But until then, it's just me. Oh, also, I got rid of the trashy outro, which was basically just a bunch of GIFs pasted together, and I made my own with one of my favorite songs, my obsession currently. And it's great. You know, I think this vlog, from the bottom of my heart, is at least 10 times better than his. I might not have the cool effects. I might not have the high quality camera, right? I might not have the best complexion either. But you know, I try. I don't have an outro, right? So you know what? Bye.
All the oldies and the goldies playing on the radio. They don't make me feel the way you do. My Friday night carouse. You're the only one to know this with the force of audio. I believe in all your fantasies. A silly ass that sing. You're from another world.
You actually need some help, don't you?
Maybe not.